Time cause of WordPress automatic plugin automation, the lot of images load in your WordPress library and your space got exhausted and your memory got full. You can see these are a lot of images that are loaded into the gallery. So how you can stop the images being loaded on your gallery via WP automatic plugin? For example, if the campaigns are running, so how you can stop the images not being loaded in your WordPress library. So this is very simple. You just need to go in your campaigns and check edit your campaigns simply. So here, for example, these are the campaigns. For example, this is the video games campaign, so I will just click on edit, and here you just need to go and check the box that shows don't save the images to my server. I will use this plugin, so don't save, and here is the plugin link that you need to install and activate in your WordPress. For example, this is the plugin. You just need to copy, and here you just need to go here into plugins, add new, and make sure you have installed and activated this plugin to use the URL of the images as the featured images and other images. You can see this is active. Okay, so you just need to check this box and install this plugin, as well as you can check another box. Here is the checkbox, add images as the WooCommerce product gallery. So uncheck this. You don't need to check this box. Okay, so uncheck this box, and this campaign is now cleaned, and all the images that will be including this campaign, the images will not be saved into your WordPress library. For example, let me check this. So for example, I run this campaign and test this, so I just click on run, and let's see the new fetched product where these images are going to be displayed or going to be saved. So this is the link. So now this is the product that is being fetched right now. You can see this is the image, and these are other images that are being downloaded by not downloaded by the plugin. So if you inspect this, let's see is it working or not. You can see this is coming from Amazon. You can see this is also coming from Amazon. It is not saving into the library. If you see the image here, this is also coming from library, so from the Amazon. So this is how you can stop being download the images from via WP automatic plugin into your WordPress library or gallery. Thank you so much.